In today's video, we're going to be going over how to do this cool sky replacement effect by Noahsocold. So what we're going to do is get an image or a video of power lines. I will also have this as an asset linked in the description box below, alongside some cloud overlays that you could also use. You can basically use the lines on the image to create interesting shapes with the clouds, and the way that we're going to do this is by using the pen tool. The first thing you're going to do is select the pen mask tool. With your layer selected, you're going to start creating those lines around the shape. Keep in mind that when you're doing this, it doesn't necessarily have to be absolutely perfect. And once you come fully around, it should close the shape like this. Then inside of your effect controls panel, you'll see mask, and you just want to drag the mask to opacity and then invert the mask. And now, as you can see, that shape is missing. Again, like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. What you might want to do is just increase the mask expansion ever so slightly. And if you feel like you need to adjust any of your points, you can click on the pen mask and literally just move them ever so slightly to get it as perfect as you want it to be. And you would literally just do this, and you would just do this a couple of times so you have a bunch of different shape points. I'll come back when I have all of those done. Once you're done, it'll look something like this. Also keep in mind, if you are using the mask tool, all of your blend modes are set to subtract, so that way all of your boxes appear empty. Otherwise, when you put on multiple masks, it will cause an issue. And essentially what you're going to do is import the cloud stock footage and put it where you have your pen mask. So I have 4 different pen masks, so you're going to have 4 different cloud images. All you have to do is drag them in under your layer and then adjust where you need to adjust. Once you're done, you'll get something that looks like this. And of course, you can keep altering and adjusting the mask so that way they perfectly line up. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.